In this video, I'll show you how to build and launch a professional SaaS product in minutes using Base44. To start, I'll type my project requirements into the prompt box asking for a B2B SaaS dashboard with a navigation sidebar, an overview page with analytics charts, and sections for team settings and billing tiers. Once I hit the Generate button, the AI begins building the entire infrastructure from scratch. I can watch in real time as it writes the styles, configures Tailwind, and develops each individual component, from the sidebar layout to the interactive revenue charts and responsive data tables. Base44 has generated a high-quality dashboard with a clean dark navy aesthetic and a professional layout. The results include a fully functional overview page with live updating metric cards and a detailed revenue line graph that tracks active users over time. Now I'll enter the preview mode to test the user interface. I can easily navigate between the overview, team settings, and billing tiers to ensure everything looks perfect. The team page includes a clean member list with role assignments, and the billing section features a polished 3-tier pricing layout ready for customers. Everything looks great, so I'll click Publish. I'll set the app visibility to public and hit the final Publish button. Just like that, my app is live at a custom URL. I'll open the link, and my fully functional SaaS product is ready for the world. Building a software business has never been this simple. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.